Hey everyone, today's recipe is an Indian sweet Mawa Gujia, or you can even call it as Karanji. It is loaded with delicious sweet stuffing and has flaky yummy outer covering. Take 2 cups of all purpose flour or maida, add a little salt, 3 tablespoons clarified butter or ghee. Mix the flour with ghee while rubbing in between your fingers so that all the flour is well coated with the ghee. This gives flaky texture to the outer covering. Add milk gradually and start kneading the dough. You can even use water instead. Knead a stiff dough. While the dough is getting ready for the gujia, click on that thumbs up button and please make sure to subscribe if you like cooking or watching yummy recipes. It'll help my channel to grow. Also, click on that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. Cover and keep aside while we prepare our stuffing. Heat 1 tablespoon ghee. Add 2 tablespoons semolina or rava. Roast until it is fragrant and changes the color slightly. Remove this well roasted rava in a plate and keep aside. Now add 2 cups of khoya or mawa. Cook while stirring until it melts. Remove and let it cool completely. Take khoya in a bowl. Add in the roasted semolina. Add 2 tablespoons desiccated coconut, 2 tablespoons chopped dry fruits, 3 tablespoons powdered sugar. Mix everything well. Now knead the dough for a minute. Take a small portion of the dough and shape into a round. Roll into the size of a puri. I'll show you the easiest way of shaping the gujia with beautiful design. Take the rolled puri in your hands. Add stuffing about 1.5 teaspoon. Apply water on the edges and seal it like I am doing. Now let's shape it. Pinch and fold the corner of the gujia. Then you get the pointed side. Fold that in. Then keep folding similarly like I am doing in the video. See how beautiful it looks. Here's another easy way of making pretty designs of gujia. Take the rolled puri, add stuffing, apply water, seal the edges. Now press the edges with the back side of the fork as shown. Now again press with fork in the reverse direction so that the gujia gets sealed well and doesn't break open while deep frying. See how nice it looks. Doesn't it look awesome? Similarly, make all the gujia or karanji. Heat up sufficient oil for deep frying. Fry on low to medium heat until these turn golden on the outside. Remove on a paper towel to take off any excess oil. Similarly, fry all the gujia. Delicious Mawa Gujia is ready. Enjoy with your loved ones. Wanna enjoy more tasty recipes? Click on the image appearing on your screen.